Yes, Aya. Yes, Aya. Yeah, man, good morning. Good morning, all YouTubers. Yeah, man, the voice of Bed Miller. Yeah, man, YouTube channel. Yes. As usual, give thanks to the Most High. If you make me live to see another day. It's every time I rise a morning time, I have to just give thanks to be alive. Yes, Aya. I'm on topic this morning now. You know, see it. I'm on topic this morning now. Yeah, man. While I drink my turkey porridge, my topic this morning is about, I'm going to go straight to the point. I'm not beat on no bush. Yeah, man, I'm go straight to the point, brother. You know, see it? And as usual, I'm not make it be too long. I'm trying to make it be about 15 minutes or so for this morning. Yes. Yeah, man. It's a turkey American porridge. Yes, Aya. You see what? When I feel laugh to right the judge, you know, brother. Yeah, we have to laugh. We have to laugh, you know. You see me go see a man send me something. I mean, I see the article. Because when the news media, they cover the article. Where I don't know if you call his name. I don't call his name still now because I'm a public figure, you know, saying so much can call his name. Because them public figure nowadays, we address them people are serving a government entity. Government. They work for government. Both the MP them and the mayor them and the councillor them. You know, see it. If you call a name, you know, see it, they want to sue you. Everything they want to sue nowadays, because you're not talking in the country again. But as I say, me see an article since recently. An article since recently. You know, see it. Yeah. Yeah, man, with the mayor. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, the mayor of Falmouth. I mean, mayor, the mayor Trelawney. I don't want to call him name. Everybody know me I talk already. You know, see it. Me see the mayor. The mayor say, I feel laugh. Then when the mayor say, he go bill. You know, see it. He go raise chicken. You know, see it. Yeah, man. Pan. And the matter when you talk about the property of homeless people, when you can't fool people, but you can't fool the original Falmouth people them. You know, see it. A Falmouth Youth Center, you go raise fowl pan. A Falmouth Youth Center. Understand me? Because we all know the property belongs to Falmouth Youth Center. So everybody come put it about place the homeless. You know, see, right now the mayor, I go raise fowl, because I chat in a patois. A fowl I go raise, you know, fowl farm. A fowl farm I go put up on Falmouth Center now, you know. He put up drop-in center, he put up place for the homeless to sleep, and now he go build fowl farm. Fowl farm I go build on Falmouth Youth Center. Yeah, man. And the mayor go to know. The mayor of Falmouth now. The mayor of Trelawney. Because I see him say he go build, he go raise fowl. You know, see it. Right beside where them build the homeless, the homeless place, and go raise fowl. So that the homeless people them can get, so you can cut them, so you can cut down expense to feed the homeless people them. And he must say, and the homeless people them go raise the fowl them too, you know. If you laugh to right, George. The man say, and the homeless people them, you know, he go make raise the fowl them, you know. And the homeless people them, you know, he go make grown him running fowl farm, you know. So I want to know, so I down there, I'm going to live now. Because if you go have them a run fowl farm and they raise chicken, we feed themselves. So you go get homeless people live down there now. Because you have to live down there, you know. They have to live down there, stay down there, you know, feeding can run the fowl farm, you know. And look where you put all fowl farm. Look where you put fowl farm, Mia. Look where you put the fowl farm. Right across from the police station. You know, see it? And right near against Poor House. No, it's against right near against the infirmary. So when you fowl, when you know how big a fowl farm is going to be. You know, see it? But when the fowl staff pass all them waste and all them sitting there. You know, see it? And then they, you know, feel see all the smell go affect all the infirmary and the police station. Eh? Eh? Boy, I'm calling you, man. Anything you want to do. If you want to say, because you're a public figure. You know, see it? So I say, Mr. Gager, you know, see it? What you claim say, no matter what you want, no matter what say no, the property is, the property was donated for you know, see it, to be a youth center, the sports play upon the property, sports primarily play upon the property. Sports, Mr. Elixton Wetland donate him in land for play sports pan for the youths of Falmouth and Trelawney and all, because there's all the sporting activities that take place back in the days. Back in the 70s, but I know about, I know what in the 60s, but back in the 70s, 80s, 90s, 2000. I seen this government coming up power now, they might keep up them bag of arms house and foolishness. You know, see it? Yeah. I pay a man that's not going with them, brother. And people are supported to you, Mr. Gager. Because Mr. Falmouth chickens down there. Mine are something you have to do, you know. And a Sykes, you know. Mine want to work my fowl farm to go raise a fowl to go sell Falmouth chickens, you know. Because the Falmouth chickens management, they down your so-called homeless place, a present thing, the present stuff here, you know. And I can't believe so whole heap of organization behind the foolishness where you keep up, you know, Mr. Gager. Mr. Gager foolish you keep up, you know. Because when Kimani Marley want the land to build sports complex, Kimani Marley want the land to build sports complex, and you don't go to use the property to build sports complex. And look where you take the property they do. And people are support the foolishness. People are some standards, people are who support the foolishness. Eh? Come and tell us something, Mr. Gager. You know, see it? You see me, boy, I'm never getting more community strike if you want to talk about it, you know, but hear me now. You know, see it? So where I tell me so, Mr. Gager, you want to go raise fowl for the Elixton Wetland Youth Center. You know, see it? So that means that the youth can raise them cow and since that's how it go then. Only done with sports then. It's like not done with sports. And on sporting facility again. Only turn the place now in a farmland, agricultural land, raising up animal and so forth. So the youth are raising cow and center, you raise them cow still. Since they go raise fowl pan center, the youth can raise them cow and anybody can come raise them goat pan the center then. Somebody come trick people and talk about homeless. Place the homeless, a Falmouth center that. And you build fowl farm on Falmouth center, on a youth center. So the youth them can raise them cow on the center same way. A man can bring all them goat in a sheet. And then sheep. You understand me? On the center. And utilize the place. Because you are going to take it and build fowl and raise fowl on it. Eh? Boy, I'm going to tell you, brother. And when you talk about them thing, people are talking about you're too political and all them sitting there. So all of them PMP people and in jail people both from Conquerors, from Village, from Edson, from Studs, you know see it? From all of the people in Machulan who used to run up and down from Falmouth Youth Centers, Falmouth Youth Center, back in the 70s, 80s and 90s. And we all know the place down here for sports. You understand me? And look how Mr. Gage take a place a ton. Eh? Look when take a place ton. Eh? On the same man, because I see Anthony Watson. I see Anthony Watson picture. Let me see how long is that thing I go on to know. Because something you start talk. About 10 minutes gone so far. Yes. I can't really talk, you know see. I see Anthony Watson picture. Yes man, Anthony Watson, the Chilana youth were win the 400 meter World Games. I see Anthony Watson picture. Right where I enter Duncan's. Eh? Anthony Watson rise to fame. Don't Chilana contribute nothing to it. More than you come from Chilana. You come from Duncan's. A Petersfield, a Westmoreland man go. Yes, I go doing thing. Westmoreland man getting fame from. Eh? I know you, Mr. Gage, you got to be fowl. You got to put fowl farm. They raise fowl. In a seat, you got to make homeless because so where you cater for? You cater for the homeless people them. You don't cater for the youths them of Falmouth and Chilani. Eh? And you have the audacity to want to put up Usain Bolt statue in a Falmouth Square. Eh? When Usain Bolt getting fame from Mr. Gage, eh? Usain Bolt in a seat. One of the richest, supposed to be top 10 richest man in Jamaica. When getting fame from Mr. Gage, eh? Usain Bolt getting fame and Usain Bolt come they employ a lot of people now because he have him in trucks and record all over Jamaica. You know see it? I mean, no for them athlete there and sportsman and woman there to do business far and wide same way. Eh? Mr. Gage, Falmouth of the capital of Chilani, you know. You know see it? Yeah. Because see there, since under this administration now, the Chilani multipurpose stadium never utilized. And since lately now, you know see it, they start utilizing it. Because we no business about it, we no care about it because of politics. Yeah. Me say, if me never speak out against Park, the reason why Park are cut, you know, the reason why the Uwaya Park field are cut right now, the most historical ground of Falmouth, you know, where sporting activity start from, you know, the Park field, you know, it a cut, you know, from about 2 weeks ago it a cut, you know, and you can't done cut, you know, because the state of the place was just such a disgraceful condition, and me make it a cut, because when me video it and share with the people overseas and friends of Falmouth, you understand me? So me and my friends of Falmouth put it to the mayor. I can't one of the members what tell me. Because them say, boy, they don't want to put my thing in the field that Falmouth thing overseas because it sound too political. Because they say me sound too political. But if it wasn't for me, Park couldn't cut right now. Because Park only cut not cut in time of year right now. Park only cut during the winter tour season starting, but January say no. And Park field no cut until when time Them have bicycle sports, you know. At them time there, you know. Because last year when bicycle sports, two over and Irish Strong, the whole of them, two over and Irish Strong and some more man and done bicycle sports. Bicycle sport normally cut in time, yeah. And because I have vice out against it. And when you have vice out against things, people go and try to come at me, you know. But Mr. Gager, you're a public figure, brother. Mr. Gager, you don't born and go to Falmouth. You don't know the history of our sporting ancestors in a seat. In a seat at Falmouth and out at Trelawney. At Falmouth Youth Centre, every sporting activity will take place. Football, cricket, track and field, table tennis. The man donating land to sports, Mr. Gager. And you take the man land in a seat. And people support the foolishness, you know. You understand me? Because when Kim Animali want the land, come and Kim Animali reason, you know. I know here's the thing, you know. When Kim Animali have people behind him, you know. If you build a sports complex, Mr. Gager, you don't give the property, you know, Mr. Gager. And you take the property and do a bag of foolishness, you know. In a seat. And people are supporting the foolishness we are going with, you know. Mr. Gager, foolishness you keep up in the brother. Mr. Gager, you keep up ice and madness, you know. In a seat. Or you can't put a fowl farm in a seat beside the police station and the infirmary, brother. Eh? Or you can't. Or what else you can get homeless people to raise fowl? Eh? When you're not building up drop-in center and be feed homeless people, you feel no. A matter of fact, you know, hear me now, people. People hear me one thing I want to say. Me no against building place for the homeless, you know. Me no against building place for the homeless, building drop-in center for the homeless, and a fowl farm and build fowl farm for feed them, you know. But that not to take place in a youth center. When there's enough property, you have enough places all over Falmouth. And nearby Falmouth, where them things can take place. Not in a seat. Not in a youth center. And the place in a seat. The place you cannot show a no better. Judge me and telling no better. And because of politics, people sit down and I support foolishness. So might as well you them, might as well just turn the property and hand over the property to farmers. You them would raise them cow on the field, then we continue to raise them cow on the field, same way. And done. Because since that's so it reached then. Yeah man. I saw it reach. You know see this madness here keep up and people are support you. Because you have standards people them, you have Falmouth chickens. Because you must go and keep on 5K walk. And most a week you know keeping a 5K run walk to get funds to build fowl. You do a sporting thing to get funds to build fowl farm on a youth center. You build fowl farm on a youth center. Yeah man, with a 5K walk or run and walk thing where to get money. We build fowl farm. We feed homeless people on a youth center. In a seat. And when Kimani Mali want the property, we build a sports complex. To take you out of poverty, that thing can come over the streets. Eh? And that's when the deal with youth same boat, you know. And that's when the deal with youth same boat, you know. Because nothing at Trelawney, no sporting facilities at Trelawney don't even have a youth same boat. Because when Porsche we want refurbish the stadium and name the youth same boat Sport Academy. You know see it? Because Porsche when say boy youth same boat deserve something fine. And Porsche Andrew beat Porsche and find Andrew take over the thing whether a pay in the seat. You neglect the Trelawney multi-purpose stadium in such a way. if I never Jerry right now, if I never Jerry, they try yeah man, see me put up it. Mr. Gage and man, you see I keep up, you know, and the people must support you, you know. You like a sykes under. You like you want a place to go raise fowl, to go sell Falmouth chickens. And that's the one place to go do. Smartly. I wonder if you have Falmouth chickens in a business smartly. Big up yourself, Falmouth chickens, you know. Big up yourself, Chris, you know. But Chris, I know he's the man who loves sports. You understand me? You can't talk about the youth them not playing on sports. And because of on a deal with the system, that's why you're not interested in on sports again. This madness and if you stop, man, and I see me now, that's why me know, because I see me go love it, you know. Because that the people they want and that them forget. Because them people them overseas, they don't give a damn about Falmouth Center again. Everybody overseas live them big life and all them and get rich and all them sit there. They don't walk around the center again. In a seat. Nothing part them and them pass through and look pan again. In a seat. Jaja. We talk all the while, so boy, right now, boy, I don't know. I don't know. In a seat. Falmouth. You know him now? Falmouth. In him Falmouth, Elixton, Greatland, Youth Center, you know. You know, you know Falmouth, Elixton, Greatland, place with the homeless, you know. So stop tricky people them. I want Youth Center. We don't chop off a piece of the land and claim our phone now. You know, see it. When you capture a piece of land and claims our phone now. And the same Desmond Mackenzie what they support it too. And Desmond Mackenzie couldn't do that at Tivoli. He couldn't do that in a film constituency. He couldn't do that at Tivoli. And it's now not at all with the politics, brother. How on earth you can it's a youth center, you know, brother. It's a youth center, you know. That's why I got states were there. I say Rain Chillan you can find a sports complex in a one school backyard. Eh? Rain Chilani, you can find a sports complex in a one school backyard. In a seat. In a seat, and on a youth center. Rain Chilani, you can find a sports complex on a youth center. Rain Chilani. Eh? Boy, I'm going to tell you, and people that support the foolishness. If you want to sue me, you can sue me. Because I tell you, say, if you say you go sue me, I'm going to silent night. Because I go court, I answer no judge. Silent night, I go now. I answer no question. And man, this here keep up, brother. Man, this here keep up. And people support the foolishness. You build shopping center, you feel say at the strength. You can build place with the homeless panel now. You feel say have strength. And you go and put Fowl Farm. Fowl Farm you put pan the center beside the police station and the infirmary. I know bigger Fowl Farm I go bigger Fowl Farm I go be. But when the fowl start passing races and all them sitting there. And all you go get homeless people if you run a Fowl Farm. Eh? Eh? Homeless people just their mentality just stay for them on the street. If you not feed them, you don't feed them. On a certain levels. Eh? And people that support the foolishness, brother. Me make the world for know. Me make the world for know because before the shopping center did build, before the first building they put up, Kim and the man want the property to build a sports complex for the youth them. That's all me want the world for know. Because now Kim and the man the reason. The man drop in blueprint and everything to build a sports complex for the youth them. And look what Gage take place on the door. And people that support Gage with the foolishness. And on top of the Jamaica on the love youth and the love sports. Eh? On top of the love youth and the love sports. And look what they take a youth center in the parish of Trelawney where the fastest man in the world come from. Trelawney ball come from. And Falmouth at the capital of Trelawney. And And upon the Falmouth Youth Center, you take it be place to the homeless. In a seat. And don't go put Fowl farm on it. Because if we refuse to give Kimani Marley the property, Kimani Marley want the property. The youth want the property. Because I have reason. And people when they talk about it. And Mr. Gager, in a seat, you refuse, the children of the parish council or the higher authority refuse to give Kimani Marley the property. Refuse to give Kimani Marley the property, you know. And look where you take it, they know. Look where you take the property, they know. We're going to have other places that run Falmouth here, run nearby Falmouth, but land all, look up and land all, look on all the 1 mile down to something there. Yeah, man, the 1 mile straight where I build up down to Martabry. Them things you can build down there, sir. I down inside they said them things should not take place. Not Pana Youth Center. Because our councillor, Mr. God, can talk the reason but can talk to God about the situation a long time ago, you know. And Mr. God will not support it. If you feel to come out of the public and chat, he not support it. Is a place the proper for them right there, sir. Mr. God Wilkins don't support it. I'm not signing off on it, you know. I'm not signing off on it now. I don't make it pass half an hour. Definitely not pass half an hour. Because people tell me say, if I give a thing, just put it to half an hour. Because when I talk, I don't make it pass half an hour. But the one I want burning issue, brother. You know, see it. Mr. Garth Wilkins support it. Because Mr. Gage, you don't love sports. Mr. Gage, you don't love, you know, nothing at all. Because you come like a one man who don't play sports, none at all. You know, see it. Yeah. So you're not interested in sports. Because if you're induced to watch sports and love sports, the madness where you're going with. Because I believe when Fred Bartley with me, you know, and Fred Bartley never deal with the madness here, you know. The longest serving me a farmer, Mr. Wright, a bodybuilder. In a seat. You understand me? They don't do the madness here. You understand me? Mr. Service, who wanted them for the parish council back in the days. Mr. Service on the man there. A cricket, the man that coach cricket. A big cricketer. Was the active part of the parish council. And Mr. Service not do the madness where you're going right now. I want to you, Mr. Gager. Eh? But I can say my in peace, you know. I Falmouth people if you unite and stop the madness what going on, so. Falmouth people if you unite for them youths and the future generation, for the youths of tomorrow. Come to me live my life already, you know. Me done live my life already, you know. Me can't go any time, you know. You understand me? Me done live my life already. And for the youths of tomorrow you talk about. And the youths them and the parents have to rise up and start the madness what going on at Falmouth Youth Center, brother. Right, that's a burning and keep up this is don't appropriate. Mr. Alex and Wetland downloading land for youths. For the youths. Because all the fine youths walk streets. Opposed to people are messed up their life go walk on the street. Lay a foundation for the youths that they can keep up for the streets. Take a youth center, brother. You take a youth center. You take the youth center. You know, see it? You take the youth center and keep up pure foolishness and some big organization they back you. With the foolishness you keep up. You know, see it? So I know if Falmouth chickens and all the standards people they know so Kimani Marley the one the place to build a sports complex. Eh? Falmouth chickens and all of you the support Mr. Gager with the madness. And Kimani Marley we don't need to link up with and build a sports complex for the youth in my Falmouth and Trelawney. Ask Mr. Gager why he refused to give Kimani Marley the place. when they want it. Ask them, ask the government of Jamaica why they refuse to give Kimani Marley the place, the build a sports complex, and they went ahead go build place with homeless. Eh? They went ahead and build and they cater for homeless people. In a seat. And deny the youth them a Falmouth as sporting facilities. When the man donating land for sports and for youths. You understand me? Yeah, man. So, I don't know if we go get the next community strike for the one, you know. Because I say, every time I talk, I say, boy, good be my last speech. But the one I want burning issue. Burning issue. Kimani Marley did want the place to build a sports complex. On the youth center. On the take the youth center. On the take the youth center, they do pure foolishness. And people that support the foolishness. So all of the organization that's behind Mr. Gager and talk about the love youths. Eh? All of you with the support Mr. Gager to build Fowl Farm and Center. And to make homeless people go raise fowl. All of you didn't know that Kimani Marley wanted the same place there to build a sports complex. And the government of Jamaica, in a seed, the no government of Jamaica refused to give Kimani Marley, the son of Bob Marley. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, the brother have the brother have still the brother over sister when them still watching Della Marley. Yeah, man. And because of Kimani's sister, why the Wega girls up on top, you know. And reach 2 consecutive World Cup, you know. And because she even put her input tonight, you know. Yeah, man. See Della Marley, put her input and support the Wega girls, and that's how they reach at a levels. Kimani Marley now have very influential. They have the money bucket behind him. We build a sports complex. Help the youths in the seat. A Falmouth and Trelawney. And look what Gager and the government of Jamaica take a place on the door. As I say, one love. One love. Yeah. And Michael Manley picked in the sign out now. We tell people say I vote PMP now. In the seat. Yeah, I'm not a PMP. I'm a MMP. Yeah, I'm a MMP. Michael Manley Pitney. Because Michael Manley is greater than. Yeah, man. Is greater than PMP. Or one of the greatest territorial leader ever in a seat. Because I'm poor, you know. I'm proud, you know. Because Michael Manley and Jesus, the Son of God, are the real poor people defenders, the real poor people defenders. So, if you want to see me too political and this and that, I speak the truth. You don't do nothing at all for poor people. Especially poor people them Pitney. Because the teachers at school say teachers at school to become doctors and lawyers. And poor people can't turn doctors and lawyers so easy. Because if you have money for study for doctors and lawyers. And Usain Bolt in a seat. That's why Usain Bolt gets so much fight. Because that's not like Usain Bolt, you know. Because Usain Bolt do no more studies, you know. And Usain Bolt make it out of sports, you know. As a poor people Pitney, you know. A sports boat make it out of, you know. Usain Bolt make it out of sports. And one of the for Usain Bolt. One of the for Usain Bolt at Jamaica. Eh? One of the for Usain Bolt. And a sports boat make it out of. And the government of Jamaica they take youth center, the youth center. In a seat. And build Madhouse Panny. Place for the homeless. And they go talk it. And they go turn in a Fowl Farm. For a youth center. So, as I say, one love. And big up yourself, Kimani Marley. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Because you're the only man that voice out for your cause, you know. Nobody else now voice out and you're the only man that voice out for your cause, you know. Yeah, man. But me like Johnny Baptist from Falmouth from Bay Beach. Yeah, man, I go and burn fire upon Babylon. Okay. So one love. You hear me? Yeah.